Well, hello, my dear fellow learners. A lot's been going on in the world currently, courtesy of the COVID 19 pandemic. India, particularly, is now quite possibly faced with the second wave of the pandemic. Quite unfortunate for a country of population 1.3 billion and counting, where we are still trying to recover and recuperate from the damages inflicted last year by the first wave. And here we are, the former part of 2021. We're grappling with this situation. Some developments have happened, major decisions were taken, many alterations came about, which we thought you should be aware of, which is why we are here with this episode of the Campus News, brought to you by View TV. Stay with us and let's get started. Many ministers and top guns of India have tested positive for COVID-19 over the past week, including Chief Minister of Karnataka B.S. Yediyurappa, Union Minister Prakash Javadekar, and even Telugu movie star and politician Mr. Pawan Kalyan. Now, with the ongoing fear of the second wave of the pandemic, education has become a primary concern. In fact, examinations was very much at the epicenter of many major discussions that took place the previous week, including the one where CBSE finally decided to scrap off 10th board examinations while postponing the 12th board examinations. Many states like Odisha, Telangana, and several other have followed suit by cancelling their board examinations as well. However, there are several other states which are yet to take a call on this situation. With the approval of the centre, Mumbai's Hafkin Biopharma is all set to manufacture Bharat Biotech's Covaxin to accommodate for the serious vaccine deficit in the state of Maharashtra. National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur, has asked all its students, barring the ones who come from far-off places, to immediately vacate the hostel, seen as 19 students were tested positive for COVID-19 in just a week's time. University Grants Commission has asked colleges and universities to encourage their students to write on freedom fighters as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, an initiative undertaken by the central government to celebrate 75th year of India's independence. We also now learned that government has postponed NEET PG 2021 examinations following a social media campaign. IIT Madras has launched a special Cricket Hackathon 2021 for data science enthusiasts. As a part of this competition, participants will be provided with the data of previous T20 matches, which can be used to train the code for the contest. Participants will have to predict the score at the end of 6 overs in every innings for a set of matches. Alright, it's now time for some sports news on the Campus News. This week we have a very special story featuring one Mr. Abid Khan, an NIS qualified boxing coach who went on to become, unfortunately, an auto rickshaw driver. But now, thanks to Mr. Saurabh Duggal, an independent sports journalist who picked this story up, who gave it a shape and form and facilitated for a change. And now, thanks to him and several other supporters on social media, Mr. Abid Khan is back where he belongs, in the mainstream boxing scene, where he is once again coaching boxing enthusiasts. Alright, it's now time for the video of the week on the Campus News. This week we have a very special video. Well, it's a follow-up video to another video which went viral the previous week, featuring Ms. Janki and Mr. Naveen dancing their ways into the hearts of millions of Indians. But unfortunately for them, following a Facebook post by a lawyer named Krishna Raj, this entire story took a communal turn. But the story definitely has a happy ending, as fellow students and many other people around them decided to stand in solidarity by putting their dance shoes on. Alright, that was it from this week's episode of the Campus News, brought to you by View TV. It's an important time for the nation as COVID cases are spurting. They're accelerating at an unmitigated pace. We urge you to stay safe. Wear masks if you're stepping out. In fact, don't step out if it's not too important. Maintain social distancing. Follow all the protocols strictly at this point in order to contain the situation. We as individuals should take that responsibility. It's our responsibility. So do act upon it, do take it, and do stay safe and look after your loved ones as well. And of course, if you like the video, hit the like button, share all these updates with your friends, and of course, do not forget to subscribe to our channel VUTV by Vijay Bhumi on YouTube. Until next time, see you and take care.